feeling that August kind of takes people by surprise. Just thinking, wait a minute, why does July have to end because it's been so great? But if you like summery weather, August has plenty of it for you.
Yeah, I've said, one night were we driving by and like every ice cube stand was jammed, and my wife was like, yeah, because they're like, whoa, it's about to be August.
That would happen in November too.
That's
so
true. Or
this
March.
is Maine, and we love ice cream. So
I love when they open in March and it's cold, and people are like, it's coming, I'm going out. I'm going to check it out either way. 87 in Sanford right now, doing pretty well there. 82 in Portland, 80 in Wiscasset. Anyway, getting to the down east coastline, it is cooler there in the 70s, but it's a warm day. It's sticky too. Dew points we talked about yesterday. Hey, if this dew point of 60 bothers you, you're really not going to like where we end up for Thursday and Friday. And we're already in the upper 60s for dews, especially along the coastline here, which is right into the uncomfortable to almost oppressive range. Luckily, in Sanford, where it's the hottest, it's a little bit lower at 66. Visible satellite, looking good. We had some clouds and some fog along the coastline. We burnt all of that off. Now we've got a lot of sun. And as I mentioned before, that acts to destabilize the atmosphere here. We sometimes call it self-destructive sunshine. The more sun there is, the less likely there is to be sun later. And there's also a front approaching. So all of this, getting some showers and storms together. That being said, they don't look that impressive right now. And our severe weather dynamics are lower than they were the last two events when we had severe weather. Everything is a little bit harder to get these storms going. And so we've got some trying to get going here in the mountains. That's going to be our best chance in northern Maine. We've got a secondary line back here where the front is. Nothing jumps out at me at this time that looks like it's going to be all that strong, especially that it's already noon. So Storm Prediction Center has just a low level risk here. Northern Maine will be your best chance. Probably Aroostook County is really the best chance of severe storms. And then really any given thunderstorm day, you're going to be in this marginal risk. It means there's a chance, but it's not likely. So this model does a good job. Maybe it over line develops this, but we've got some storms in the mountains later today and into the early evening. And into, again, Aroostook County. Bangor might be able to get in on this on the southern end of everything. I think as you go down from Augusta down to Sanford, it's not that you're not going to get anything. I don't think you're going to see too much thunderstorm activity, though. And all of this will quickly diminish when the sun sets around 8 and things settle down. Tomorrow's a really bright day, be a lot of sunshine. Temperatures are still pretty mild. I think this model's a little too cool. I think we're in the mid 80s in a lot of spots. Dew points a little bit better than today, but I'm not sure you'll notice. And then we start to warm up for the warmest day, which is on Thursday. You can see this model wants to start us with some fog Thursday morning, but we end up hot. So there's our front thunderstorms, slight reduction in dew points tomorrow, but not much. Hottest day Thursday, and then some showers come in here on Friday, and that will be a humid day still. So I went from 93 to 90 in Portland. I'm getting a little concerned about wind direction here along the coast. You can see I've knocked them down. Inland still very hot into the 90s and upper 90s, especially over southwestern parts of the state. Scattered thunderstorms on Friday. It's not a washout, but it's kind of a humid day with more clouds and showers. It's a little bit tropical feeling. Still up in the air a little on Saturday, which I hate doing because we're on Tuesday at this point, but isolated shower is a possibility in the mountains. Right now we've got more clouds and we're keeping it dry. Thunder is likely on Sunday afternoon, and so we've been so spoiled with the weekends lately. This seems like, oh, this isn't any good. I think most of this will be fine, just won't be as pristine as the last couple of weekends.
Yeah, there's always the bar is set to different levels.
Yeah.
Thanks, Keith.